Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Very good morning, guys and girls, in spoken English class at Genius Institute Lahore's platform, where the students of IELTS and PTE are also being entertained. The students of IELTS and PTE will get soon their visas granted for the same platform, Genius Visa Express. We've been working for the last 25 years and making students and professionals successful. Dear friends, challenges are an inseparable part of our life. Challenges and conveniences, actually, they go side by side. Quran Majid says, Inna ma'al usri yusr. It means that with every convenience or with every difficulty, there is a convenience. So, uneasy lies the heart, movie is the crown, Shakespeare says. Dear friends, students, professionals, housewives, children, everybody has to go through difficulties in life. They can't get rid of this natural phenomenon. Here today, we are actually going to have a conversational practice between two students, and they're going to talk about their problems. The students have their exclusive problems like meeting deadlines, writing and sending assignments. Sometimes there is a language barrier. There is sometimes financial issues. So the time management, lots and lots of problems. They are going to discuss these problems one by one. Two students engaged in conversations. Let's get started.
Hi Sarah, you look like a bit stressed. What's going on today?
Yeah, I'm having problems with my homework. The deadlines are near and I still feel stressed.
I can totally relate. I have also stressed. I can totally relate. I have also. Hi Sarah, you look like a bit stressed. What's going on today?
Yeah, I'm having problems with my homework. The deadlines are near. I still feel stressed.
I can totally relate. I have two stressed paper and I finished, and I briefly know that where to start.
Hey Sarah, you are a little bit stressed today. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm having problems with my homework. The deadlines are near and I still feel stressed.
I can totally relate. I have to reach papers to finish, but I barely where to start.
I think the worst part is the topics are very hard and I have a little time to cover up that.
Same here. I think time management is my biggest issue. We waste too much time on scrolling my phone.
Yeah, and we have to divide topics between us. If you have any good opinion about any topic, and I will do the same.
Maybe we should learn in library. That's why we motivate each other.
That's a good idea. And in library, we can waste less time.
Yes, and we also email to professor, and it's getting maybe will be helpful for us.
Yeah, he can help us in understanding the course outline as well.
Yes, of course. Let's make a schedule tonight and stick to it.
Yeah, and we still focus on main topics and we will discuss with each other. If any difficulty, we discuss with one another.
And motivate to each other.
And better planning can help to solve these study problems.
Thank you so much.
That's great. Thank you. Stop.
Hey Sarah, you look a bit stressed today. What's going on?
Honestly, I am struggling with my assignments. The deadlines are so close and I feel overwhelmed.
I can totally relate. I have to reach papers to finish, but I barely know where to start.
The worst part is that some topics are so complicated. I keep reading articles but still feel confused.
Same here. I think the time management is my biggest issue. I waste too much time on scrolling my phone.
Exactly, distraction makes it worse. I try to focus, but after some time I lost my concentration.
Maybe we should learn in the library. That's where we can motivate each other.
That's a good idea. Group study might actually help us to clear our doubt faster.
Yes, and we can divide the topics.
Sure, it will help us to save our time. By the way, have you talked to the professor about research outline?
Not yet. I'm planning to email him tomorrow.
Great, I should do the same. Otherwise, we will keep guessing and waste our time.
Exactly. And let's make a schedule tonight and stick to it.
Deal. I think in this way we will handle our academic problems.
Yes.
Thank you.
Hey Sir, do you like stress feel? What's going on?
Yes, I have stress because of the previous.
I have only two assignments. I don't know how I can complete this.
I don't know too. The topics are too much
I
complicated.
also can't manage time management. I also waste my time on scrolling.
Yeah, we should make a schedule for track our time.
Maybe we should make a time on library to study together.
Yeah, like we can make a calendar or to-do list.
You explain me topic and that's one topic I explain you.
Yeah, we should implement these time schedules in our daily
Okay,
life.
tomorrow we do on schedule workout. Tomorrow we can study together.
Okay,
That's
we'll
it.
do it.
Okay, thank you so much.
Great. Stop.
Hi Sarah, you look a bit stressed today. What's going on?
Honestly, I'm struggling with my assignment. The deadlines are so close and I feel overwhelmed.
I can totally relate. I have two research topics and I really know from where to start.
The worst part of that's what of the spot is sorry,
All right. Keep it up.
and the worst part is the worst part of the complement the topics are so complement and the top I feel I keep reading and still I feel confused.
Maybe I think time management is the biggest issue. I waste too much time scrolling on my phone.
The distractions are so bad. I try to focus. While after a while, I lose my concentration.
Yes, we should study together in the library. That way we can motivate each other easily.
Yeah, group studies are so good. We can actually help us to clear doubts faster.
Yes, we should divide our topics and firstly you will explain and understand better. After that, I will do the same.
Deal. I'm sure we can handle the academic challenges.
All right. Thank you.
Hey Mohammed, you look quiet and anxious. What's troubling you?
Honestly, I am struggling with my assignments, so these are very complicated.
Okay, yeah, sure. I can relate. My research paper remain incomplete.
Those part is that most of the topics are more complicated. I keep reading articles, but I still feel confused.
Yeah, also my biggest problem is poor time management. I waste my time on scrolling my phone.
Yeah, distraction make it worse. I try to focus, but there's still confusion.
I think we should collaborate in the library.
That's a good idea. Group study help us a lot and make our doubt clear.
Oh yeah, I have an idea. We can divide subjects strategically.
That's a good idea. It will save our time. By the way, have you talked with the professor
Ha-
about research?
Have you consulted the professor?
Yes, I do, but we should do with the study group.
Okay, me too. I will email him tomorrow for early feedback.
Yes, we should. I should do this same, so that will help us to clear our doubts more
Agree
faster.
with discipline and time management. Thank you.
Deal.
Thank you. Stop.
Hey, you look.
Stop.
Hey, you look a bit stressed today. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm struggling with my assignment. The dates are so close and I'm still overwhelmed.
Yeah, I can totally relate. I have two papers to finish, but I barely know where to start.
The most worst was that most of the articles are so complicated. And I still keep reading articles but still confused.
Same here. I have a biggest mistake of time management. I waste my time scrolling on my phone.
Exactly. Distractions make it worse. I try to focus. After a while, I lose my concentration.
Maybe we should study together in the library. That's where we can motivate each other.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Group study might help us to clear our doubts faster.
Yes, and we can divide the topics. You explain once, you understand better, and I will do the same.
Yeah, that's a great idea. By the way, have you talked to the professor about the search outline?
No, yet. I'm planning to email him. I'm getting his feedback early will be helpful.
We should do the same. Otherwise, uh, we will keep guessing and do most our time lost.
Yes, exactly. Let's make the schedule tonight and stick to it.
Yeah, I'm sure we can handle these academic challenges.
That's great. Thank you.
Hey Sarah, you look quite anxious. What's troubling you?
Honestly, I am struggling with my assignments. The deadline is so close and I feel overwhelmed.
Yeah, I can relate. My research papers remain incomplete.
The worst part is most of the topics are complicated. I read the topics several times, but I feel still nervous.
Yes, troubling. My biggest problem is time management. I waste my time on scrolling my phone.
Uh, by group studying, we can solve these problems together.
Yeah, great idea. We can collaborate in the library.
Yeah, yeah, of course. Have you talked with the professor about the search outlines?
Yes, I will email him tomorrow for early feedback.
Yes, by doing that, we can overcome with our academic problems.
Yes, with planning and with discipline, we can be overcome with our academic problems.
Let's make a schedule for tonight and stick to it.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Thank.
Stop.
Hi Sarah, you look like a bit stressed today. What's going on?
Honestly, I'm very struggling about my assignment. Do you know, as you know, the deadline is so near and I'm still confused.
Sorry. I can totally relate. I have two research papers to finish. I know briefly, and I briefly know that where to start.
Yeah, and the worst thing is the topic it is so complicated and difficult, and sometimes it's difficult to understand, and that's create a lot of mess in my study.
Same here. I think time management is the biggest issue. I waste too much time on scrolling my phone.
Exactly. Distractions always create a lot of problem. Like whenever I study, I just open my mobile phone and watch different type of movies and waste a lot of my time, and it's create a lot of difficulties in my studying.
Maybe we should study together in the library, and that's the way we help each other.
Yeah, it's a good idea because if we study together, we will clear our mistakes and learn a lot of things about studying.
Yes, I think divided to topics. Yes, I can divided the topics and explain you first, understand, then I will do same.
Yeah, exactly. Because a group study is always best. But the one thing more, do you talk to professor about it?
Not yet, but my planning tomorrow. I will send him tomorrow. That's and I getting feedback. It will be helpful.
Yeah, I will do the same. Otherwise, we will just wasting our time.
Exactly. Let's make a schedule tonight and stick it to.
Yeah, best of luck for tomorrow because tomorrow we are going to start a new day about our study.
Okay, let's meet tomorrow.
Hi Sarah, you look a bit sorry. Hi Sarah, you look a bit stressed today. What's going on?
Yeah, I'm having problem with my homework. The deadlines are near and I feel stressed.
I totally understand you. I have two research paper to finish and I barely know where to start.
Yeah, the problem is that the topics are very hard and we have not enough time to cover it all.
Same here. I think we have to study together and motivate to each other.
Okay, what about the library? If we study in group study, that it would be more helpful in our course line.
Yeah, it's a good idea. We should schedule today and we study together, and it's really helpful to you.
Yeah, most of all, it saves a lot of time for us, and we can focus on it. And mutual communication can help out to solve problems.
Okay. Did you email the professor?
Not yet. I'm planning to email a professor by tomorrow, but I think we should to do right now.
Okay. I think getting his feedback early will be helpful to both.
Yeah, and I think we should start by tomorrow, and good study planning can solve these study problems as well.
Okay, let's make a schedule and study together.
And let's stick on it.
Thank you.
Dear friends, you have had wonderful time of conversation. You have given good conversations. I mean, I'm simply satisfied. But you need much more work, or you need to work harder to become a better performer. All right. So some of the students were extraordinary or exceptional in performance, and some were mediocre or average speakers or average performers. So you have to look at your performance. Social media, for example, when we'll upload it, when we post this video on social media, you can recheck it, or you can watch the video again for reviewing your performance. If you have done good, actually you need to do it better. If it's better, you need to do it the best. If it is not up to the mark, you need to make it up to the standard. So it all depends on you, how you perform. But overall, the performance was good. Give a big round of applause to everybody here today in the class.